Hello children, today we are going to learn about keeping our house clean. Now look at both these pictures. They are pictures of a bedroom. In picture A, we have an untidy room in which things are not in its place. And in picture B, we have a neat and clean room in which everything is tidy and in its place. So which picture looks good to you? Picture A or picture B? Correct. Picture B. This is how a room should be. It should be clean. So children, why is it important to keep our house clean? To keep the house neat and tidy? To have a healthy surrounding? To keep germs away? To keep our house free from dust? Now let's discuss the ways of keeping the house clean.
We should keep the toys in its place after playing. We should not leave our toys lying around in the house, as it can hurt somebody if they stamp on it and can even break. It might also be difficult for you to find them when you want to play with them again. So it is always better to put your toys in its place. We should throw garbage and waste paper in the dustbin. Now, children, you must all know that there are two kinds of dustbin. One is the green dustbin and the other is the blue dustbin. Now, in the green dustbin, we put wet waste, which means food leftovers, fruits and vegetable peels, eggshells, fallen leaves, flowers, etc. And in the blue dustbin, we put dry waste like bottles, wrappers, cups, newspapers, Tetra packs, pizza boxes, paper plates and cups, tins, cans, etc. So children, it is very important to separate the wet waste from the dry waste, as it helps the person who collects the waste and saves his time from separating it. Now, the reason for separating the wet waste and the dry waste is that wet waste can be used in farming and it is good for the growth of the crops, and dry waste can be recycled and reused. So, always remember that the green dustbin is for wet waste and the blue one is for dry waste.
We should use a dustpan and a broom for cleaning the floor.
We should use a dusting cloth to dust the doors, windows, and furniture of our house. We should also dip the cloth in water and a disinfectant like Dettol and wipe the doors, windows, and furniture to kill the germs. We should mop the floor with a wiper or a cloth and a bucket of water with a disinfectant in it like Lysol or Dettol to kill the germs and bacteria and also to make it look clean. We should use a toilet brush and a liquid toilet cleaner like Harpic to clean the toilet.
Now children, spiders can be our friends, but only if they stay outside and away from our home. So if you have cobwebs in your house, this means you have spiders. So it is necessary to remove all the cobwebs from the house while cleaning.
We should not let water collect in or near our house. During the monsoon season, water collects in broken pots, old tires, and potholes, which in turn attracts mosquitoes to lay eggs and spread diseases like chikungunya, dengue, malaria, etc. So, children, we should ensure that there is no waterlogging in and around our house. Now let's discuss about the most important room in our house. And this room is the kitchen.
So, children, as we all know, that food attracts cockroaches and other insects which spread diseases. So, we should make sure that we keep our kitchen clean, and this can be done by cleaning the sink well, by covering food vessels with a lid, by cleaning the shelves, and wiping the slab with a disinfectant like Lysol or Dettol, which kills the germs. So, children, I hope you all have learnt the importance and ways of keeping your house clean.